Alright guys, so what I'm about to show you is the boss fight on Resident Evil 7 with Jack. You're supposed to pick up a chainsaw and use it as a usable weapon. But when you pick up the chainsaw, I'm not able to use it as a weapon. And I can only examine it. If you bear with me 1 minute, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about.
You kill me, I come right on back.
Now I'm about to pick up the chainsaw. And if you notice, it won't let me use it as a weapon.
That's not good.
See, I picked up the chainsaw. I can't use it as a weapon. Now I'm going to examine it. And it only lets me examine it. I can't use it as a weapon at all. And I have to use the chainsaw to kill him. So that's the problem that I'm having on this fight. Thank you.